Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can remove this rear brake discs. It changes the same as front brake discs. First of all, we need to remove the wheel. After that, we need to remove this support. It's there on two bolts. Then we need to extend our brake pads with using these screwdrivers. Remove these calipers and put somewhere. After that, we need to remove this bolt. Now remove our discs. The brake disc change in the event that there is a large rim, that is, the disc is badly worn. That's all to work. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and put like.